Hello guys, hi everyone. Now we will discuss how to develop a model and evaluate a data mining model in Weka with the existing dataset in Weka. Now let's come to Weka. What is Weka and how it is used? So I'll explain you what is Weka. Weka is a famous data mining tool. It's a workbench that contains a collection of visualization tools and many algorithms inbuilt for data analysis and predictive modeling. This Weka has a graphical user interface, and it is easy to access and it can be learned easily. Weka supports many data mining tasks, mostly data processing, visualization, classification, regression, and feature selection. Now let's go through Weka Explorer to acquaint the interface. Now let's open the Weka Explorer. We are already in the Weka Explorer. First, to get this Explorer, we have to download Weka from online. It's a open source software. It can be downloaded easily. Weka contains when we open Weka Explorer, it has a predefined pre-processed tab. It has many other tabs like classify, cluster, associate, select attribute, and visualize. And there are other options how to upload a file. We can upload through open file, open URL, open DB. So open file is like we can upload Excel or CSV. Open URL, we can upload dataset using URL. Open database is by connecting a database to Weka directly, and we can upload the data easily. So now let's take a dataset and evaluate the model, and I'll show how to evaluate the model. Now let's open file, go to C drive, program files, Weka, then data. I want to show you how we can evaluate contact lens model. This contact lens model is, I'll show you the data set first, then we'll go through the Weka. We'll go through dataset in Weka. Okay, so this is the data set of contact lenses. This all shows the sources and past usage, who have used and all. Now let's go through what we are here to do. We have three classes in this contact lenses: whether the patient should be fitted with hard contact lens, soft contact lens, or whether he cannot be fitted with contact lens. There are many attributes to take a decision whether to use hard contact lens or soft contact lens, or whether to use a contact lens or whether we should not use a contact lens. So the attributes here are age of the patient, whether he is young or old. I mean, young, pre-biopic and presbyopic, and spectacle prescription, astigmatic, tear production rate, which is an important factor to be considered. So here is the data we are gonna use in Weka. This is based on attributes we have found some time with this sample data. Now let's go through Weka again. Let's go to Weka again. It will show all the attributes that are present in this data set. One is age, spectacle prescription, astigmatism, tear production rate, and finally this one is the main thing we have to concentrate on. This is a class, or we named it as contact lenses. Here whether we have to use soft, hard, or none. These are the three options we have. Based on this, we have to evaluate the model. Now let's go through classify option. Now we can here we will choose a tree to work on the model. Now let's go through J48 tree, and I'll take pretty high percentage, like we will use 70-30 percentage split, and we want to evaluate the contact lens. So let's start the model. Here we have found a tree where it's showing J48 prune tree, tear production rate for none, and tear production rate for normal. Here there are other attributes to be considered: astigmatism. If it's no, then soft contact lenses. If it's yes, then we have to consider other factors. So here we have found it has given confusion matrix as well. A is hard contact lens, B is soft contact lens, and C is none. So here is the confusion matrix. This diagonal 002 is the exact instances where we are confident that it is true, it will work on them. So correctly classified based on the instances we have, correctly classified instances are 28.57 and incorrectly classified instances are 71.42. As the split is 70-30, the split is training data and test data. We are using 70% of the data for training and 30% as the test data. So we have used 30%, so we have got classified instance, we have got the accuracy less. If we change the split to 80%, we will get more accuracy, because as the test data decreases, our accuracy increases. See, here is the accuracy, and we can visualize this using, we can use visualization tab to check we have all the attributes here and here. We can take this attribute and you can use jitter to see how the instances are, how many instances are grouped together and all. Thank you. This is Weka.